This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to share QuickBooks with your accountant. We'll explore 3 main ways to ensure your financial data is accessible for professional review. First, we'll cover the accountant's copy, a popular method for one-way data transfer. Next, we'll discuss using a portable company file or backup for more flexible collaboration. Finally, we'll touch upon cloud-based solutions like QuickBooks Online for real-time access. Let's dive in and find the perfect solution for you. The accountant's copy is a fantastic tool for focused review. To use it, go to the File menu, select Send Company File, then Accountant's Copy, and finally Client Activities. You'll set a dividing date, ensuring your accountant works on transactions up to that point. They can then make adjustments, which you'll import back into your file. This allows both of you to work concurrently, saving valuable time during tax season or financial reviews. Another effective way to share your data is by creating a portable company file or a full backup. A portable file is a compressed version of your data, typically much smaller, making it easy to email or upload. A full backup includes all your data and templates. Your accountant can then restore this file to their QuickBooks, work on it, and send it back. This offers a complete, two-way exchange of your financial records. For the most seamless collaboration, consider cloud hosting your QuickBooks desktop file or using QuickBooks Online. With cloud hosting, your desktop file lives on a secure server, allowing both you and your accountant to access it simultaneously from anywhere with an internet connection. QuickBooks Online is inherently cloud-based, designed for real-time collaboration. This eliminates the need for file transfers, ensuring everyone is always working with the most current financial information, enhancing efficiency significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.